In this video, we are going to take a look at the Lexar Professional Gold Series UHS-II V90 SDXC cards. I've been needing some faster cards for my A7IV to unlock more of the video mode, so I decided to check these Lexar cards out. The cards feel sturdy and solid, and you get a limited lifetime warranty on all Lexar Gold memory cards. The cards have a second row of pins, which shows that they're UHS-II and can hit the higher speeds. These cards will also work in UHS-I slot at the highest speed that slot can handle. So if you have a camera like the A7III that only has one UHS-II slot, this would still be a great option to get two fast memory cards for it. A speed test with the card reader on my 2021 MacBook Pro hit 250 megabytes per second write and 200 megabytes per second on the read speed. That's just a little bit slower than the speeds Lexar advertises for these cards. When you get new memory cards, you should format them in the camera you're using them on. And after formatting them on my A7IV, I was able to use all the different recording modes. Using UHS-I V90 cards, I was also having some issues with the 4K 10-bit recording stopping with no warning on my A7IV. With these cards, I've had no issues with the recording stopping. These are V90 cards, which makes them great for recording 10-bit 4K footage, as they support 90 megabytes per second sustained write speed, while other cards that say they support 200 megabytes per second that aren't UHS-II or V90 will support a lower sustained write speed, which is why sometimes your recording will stop. So if you need a set of UHS-II cards to record lots of burst photos, high quality video, or to get faster offload speeds from your camera, I would recommend picking up these Lexar Professional V90 cards. I have links for these cards in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, subscribe to the channel and like the video so more people find it. Also, if you have any questions about these, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them.